Hej allihopa! Hi everybody, welcome to Helsdon Outdoors. If it's really windy outside, you want to hang your hammock so that either the foot end or the head end faces the wind. But if you're sleeping in your hammock and the wind changes direction at night, perhaps it's raining too, and you find yourself in a situation with a heavy wind from the side. Then we have these straps that are there to make sure that the inner curtains don't collapse inwards. They keep the inner curtain in place. But I haven't experienced this myself, but I've heard from other people that if it's a really, really strong wind, the wind can actually lift the sides upwards. To stop this from happening, you can add a little bit of Velcro so that you can attach the sides together underneath the hammock, so that even if the wind pulls up really, really hard, the sides won't come up. I'll show you what it looks like. Here. So I added a little bit of Velcro to the existing Velcro so that I can attach the two sides together like this, but underneath the hammock. I'll show you how it's done. Here I am in my workshop with the inner curtain. What we want to do is to add a little bit of Velcro so that we can attach the two pieces of Velcro underneath the hammock. We need about 15 centimeters of Velcro, and we want the soft Velcro because what we have here is the hard one. And we want 15 centimeters, 5 centimeters to sew on, and then 10 centimeters sticking out, because if we make it shorter, it will be too tight underneath our hammock. So let's cut off 15 centimeters of Velcro and sew it on so that the inner curtain can be held down even in strong winds from the side. Again, about 10 centimeters should stick out, and then 5 centimeters should be sewed on, and you sew it on the back side of the existing Velcro. So this is the sharp side, and you sew it on the back of the sharp side. If you don't have a machine, you can do it by hand. One more to go. There, all done.